So, hello guys, Sidney going here. So, for today's video class, we have to discuss City Class Activity 1, titled The Design Loadings for our building. Okay, so without further ado, class, let me share my screen. Okay, so siguro we talk about what's in the Google Classroom. So, hindi natin class yung Google Classroom natin. Supposedly, yeah, meron tayong apat. So, technically, this is discussion class for activity 1. Pero idamay ko na rin class yung through prior post ko for this meeting. Okay? So supposedly class will talk about the major late groupings. So supposedly class na pag-isip-isip ko since ganito yung mode of teaching natin class parang yeah, di ba? Finals kasi class is reserved for the design of steel structures supposedly. So napag-isip-isip ko class, mas maganda atang mag-ano na lang tayo. Major plate. Tapos by group kasi hindi kaya to ng individual class. Okay? So I made class groupings. So as you can see class, the groupings are made in terms of yeah, ako na class. Ako na yung pumili ng groupings. Baka kasi may mawalan ng group class kapag choose your own tayo. So yeah, after careful thought, I thought, considered everything class after careful consideration. Ako na lang class yung mag-group. Okay, so in terms of groupings, class, binis ko yun dun sa prelim grades natin. So what I did class, I ranked lucidly from your prelim grades, I ranked the class. Yan. Tapos, yeah, parang para may leader na tayo agad. So, top 5 highest grades supposedly class. Sila na yung leaders. At least, kaya naman siguro nila. Okay? So, let's talk about groupings first class. There's a groupings class. Ito yung groupings natin. So, for the two classes kasi pagsabay na lang natin. So, again, class, what I did, I based it from your prelim grade. So, for the MWF class, ito yung grouping natin. So, yeah, simple ganun lang. Rank class as per prelim grade. So, supposedly, leaders natin class itong lima. So, atin natin class yung class into 5 groups. Group 1 class will be led by Dupet. And then Group 2 by Serrano. Group 3 class by Viray. Group 4 class by Soriano. And then Group 5 class by Carrion. Tapos, yung mga susunod class will be group under this group leaders. Okay? So, please, group leaders, kayo na bahala class sa group members nyo. Siguro, sa meeting natin, class, sa synchronous meeting natin, brainstorm kayo. Gawa na kayo ng GC, gawa kayo ng group chat. Okay? Tapos delegate class ko ano yung sino yung gagawa nito and so on or makipagkilala na kayo, sino yung magaling sa ganito, anong pinaka-asset natin. Yeah, basta i-delegate natin class. Kasi supposedly, ang goal ko dito, class group score tayo. Okay? So siguro, if first comes to worst, doon lang ako mag-peer eval. Okay? So, yeah, kung talagang wala siya lagi, hindi siya nagko-contribute and so on. Pero sana, group leaders class, bigyan nyo muna siya ng gagawin. Okay? Or tanongin nyo ano yung forte niya. Tapos yun yung ibigay yung task sa kanya. Okay? So, pag siya na yung nag-print, siya na yung nag-compile, malaking bagay na yun. At least may ginawa siya. Okay? So, yeah. As much as possible, delegate, bigyan mo ng gagawin. Okay? So, ito class yung sa MWF. So, again, ang galawan lang natin class, group leaders, tapos lahat ng may group number 1 dyan class, yan. Group number 1 lahat yung mga yan. Okay? For the TTHS class naman, ito. So, group 1 class will be led by Yulas, 2 by Magbitang, 3 by Clemente, 4 by Noses, and 5 by Agsaway. Okay? So, the following class will be grouped as shown by the numbers. Okay? So, same instruction class. Please lead. Kaya niyo yan, class. Ito na yung start. Sabihin lang, pag mag-work na kayo, class, you are to lead. Okay? So, be kind to your group members, class, to everything. Please lang, okay? So, as much as possible, sana, you know, group score to class. So, do your part. Okay? So, know them. And so, okay? So, next in line, class. I mean, next objective or next in line. Ano yung Uh, yeah, so for each group class, magbibigay ako ng two-story residence. Okay? So supposedly, ang goal natin dito class, given your residential building, aralin nyo. Okay? The instruction class is to, yan. Supposedly, you are to review, familiarize yourselves class para mas mabilis nating ma-facilitate, more efficient, tsaka mas accurate class yung ating analysis. So supposedly, given this plans class, we are to, sorry, wait, uh, let me clear my notes. Isipon kasi ako, yung weird yung boses ko. Wait lang, basa. Okay, sorry for that. So again, class, yeah, for the following groupings, so group 1 class gets the Aluya plants, 2 for the Lipa, Sifu for 3, Asin Road class for group 4, lastly class, group 5, yung Joshua plants. Okay? So given this plants class, gusto ko yun. Familiarize sa sarili nyo. Kasi ito yung gagawa natin class ng analysis. So all these plants class are made of RC. So ang galawa natin class, yung RC natin, gagawin natin steel. So we are to redesign class these buildings into a steel framing, parang ganun. So more on that later class. So parang yan. Familiarize lang natin. Siguro isa-isa natin yung plants class, no? So we have 5 buildings class, all of which class are residential buildings. Okay? So ito class, whoever got, ito class yung Batangas, Lipa. Okay? So ito yung tsura niya class. Yan. Okay, so technically gagawin lang natin class, loadings tayo. So kung ano yung tinuro sa inyo class doon sa staan, ganun yung gawin nyo dito. Yan. So, ito class yung sa Lipa, yan. Supposedly class, it is a two-story residential building. Okay, located class at Villa Rosa, Lipa, Batangas. Okay, ito yun class. So pinaka-itsura ng class, ito, yan. Harap, front view, side view, another side view. Okay? Tapos, meron tayo next plan class, two-story residence found ah, ito class yung San Carlos. Quezon. Yun, nandito class, hindi na-edit. Supposedly class, this is located at San Carlos. Ito class yung vicinity map niya. Yeah, Carlos. Ako, sir, reason na ba to? Siguro. Pero kung San Carlos to class, ang alam ko. Okay? So, ito class yung two-story house to. Ito yung Joshua. Okay? This is the Joshua plants. Okay? Tapos, next class, ito yung KM4 Asin Road plants. And ito si KM4 Asin Road class. Titignan nyo, this is Asin Road, KM4. Ay, inalis ko na yung details. Pero, again, class, no, this is the KM4 Asin Road, KM3 Asin Road plants. So, simple lang, class. Iniitan ko lang. Yan. Okay? Tapos, next class, ito yung seafood plants. So, located at Solano, Nueva Vizcaya, class. Okay? Tapos, ganito yung tsura ng bahay. Yan. Okay? Lastly, class, ito yung Aluya plants. Okay, located class at, so yung kanina KM3, ito class KM4 as in road. Ito class yung site niya. Tapos yung bahay natin class, hindi yung blue, yung puti. Puti yung class yung bahay. Okay? Continuing class. Nakita nyo na yung plano, alam na natin yung groupings, alam nyo na yung plano class, ano yung gagawin natin? So for activity 1 class, ito yun. So possibly, so saan ko lang, what are we to class? Are we to do? So let me open class yan. There. Okay? So activity number 1, mostly class or major plate is consisting of 3 activities. Minimum. Check ko pa kung dadagdagan ko class. Pero at the moment class, parang 3 weeks na lang kasi tayo, no? So for every week sana, or at least, hindi natin, no? At least gawa tayo ng 3 activities. So first activity class is entitled Building Design Loadings. Okay? Where in class we have 3 objectives. Yan. So dito, ang gawin na lang dito class, i-print nyo to. So ang size ito class A3. Tapos we are to fill in the blanks. Okay? So you are to study class your own building. Yan. Okay. Uh, dito pala, wala pang use to class. So para mabilis, ako na yung naglagay na yung specs. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung SCP class. Hanapin natin yung laman dito. So, actually, ito class, yeah, building materials, pare-parehas pa kayo dito siguro. Kayo na bahala maglagay class as per group. Yeah, tignan nyo yung pinaka-typical. Okay? So, i-check nyo yung plano nyo class. Baka merong nakalagay doon na specific. So, yun na yung adapt natin. Pag wala sa plano class, you may get your own. Do the typical class. Do the typical material properties class, yield strength, structural yield strength, compressive strength ng concrete, applicable class for a residential building only. Okay? Tapos dead load sa ating class. So, ito, ano yung galawan nyo sa stat? So, supposedly, lahat naman ata tayo pumasa sa stat class, no? So, dito ako na class yung nagbigay nung finish natin. Okay? So, tignan nyo na class yung dead load dun sa NSCP. Compute nyo yung mga to. Okay? Yeah. Tapos, sa live load class, yan. So, bahay lang naman tayo. So, technically, meron lang tayo. I-vary nyo lang class. Tignan nyo dun sa NSCP, di ba? May variation rin tayo sa live load class as per yung occupancy. So, occupancy natin class is residential building. So, lagyan nyo lang ito. Okay? Tapos, we have class. So, dito na kayo mag-iiba-iba. Supposedly classes, magkakaiba tayo ng location ng building. Actually, dapat class mag-iiba-iba to. As per yung parang ginawa natin class, diba? Medyo binigay ko naman to eh. Okay? Tapos again, class, yung city natin dapat pang steel. Kasi we are to convert class the RC building into a steel framing. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo naman ng sample class, ito. Meron akong sample. Nagbiyo ng sample class. Meron akong binigay na sample ng loadings. Tapos yung plano. So, ito yung plano class yan. Yan, structural plans. So, meron tayo dito class yan. Actually, under 4 class, ito yung blanco. Nalis ko na to class. Huwag na natin ilagay yung wind load. Hindi ko naman tinuro to. Ito yung oras class eh. Okay? So, technically, ito yung sample class. So, ito, using this plan class. Ito, this plan. Okay? Yeah. The structural plans class. Supposedly, ito yung... So, yeah. So, this one class is the... Yeah. So, this is class again. The loadings, specifically class for Engineering Hill, four-story commercial building with these plans. Okay, so, gusto nyo review siguro class. Hindi ko rin masyado seryoso ata. Pero supposedly class, supposedly using this layout. Yan. Yung mga layout na yan, class. Ito yung supposed material properties tsaka plano niya. Ay, check na lang class. Yes. For activity 1 class, simplihan nyo lang. Okay? We are to print. Kayo na bahala class kung paano nyo gagawin. Siguro mas maganda class na i-edit nyo na lang dito. I-edit it. So, diskartehan nyo class. Paano mo edit ang PDF? So, pwede mo mag-convert muna sa Word. Tapos lagyan mo yan. Or pwede rin isulat siguro. Kayo na bahala class. Okay, basta ha. Ang tsahin natin dito class, may ambag class yung presentation. Okay? So again, class, supposedly mag-vary kayo somewhere dito. Earthquake load. Okay? Especially class dito sa distance from fault line. So distance from fault line class, gamitin natin yung app. Okay? Tapos solve everything. So supposedly class, madali lang to. Di ba naman kayo eh, no? Okay? Yeah. So tomorrow, yeah. So for this activity class, kindly accomplish. Okay? So, yun. So, easy lang to class. So, kaya to ng net. So, again, instructions sa atin, refer to the plan. Gusto ko class, actually, ang pinaka-first step natin dito is for you to familiarize the plan. Okay? To the point class na kaya mo siyang i-model nang hindi mo tinitignan dun sa staan. Okay? So, in preparation class, para dire-diretso tayo dun sa staan natin, gawin muna natin to. So, ano yung material properties sa ating class? Dead loads natin. So, ako, ito na, gayahin na natin to class. Okay? Para mabilis. Tapos, live loads natin. Residential naman tayo lahat. So, dito kayo mag-vary class. Okay? Kasi supposedly, magkakaiba kayo ng location. Merong parehas class, dalawang Baguio, pero isa kay M3 Asin Road, yung isa kay M4 Asin Road. Medyo malayo. Okay? Check ko yan class ha. Gamitin natin yung app. Okay? Rods. So, dito class, siguro, as much as possible, ay show computations. Yeah, yun na lang para mag-vary tayo class, no? I want you to show your complete solution for itong mga to. Okay, so for the live load, dead load. Tapos ito. So if you can be kind as to, siguro, yeah, pakita nyo, di ba? You are to set, tapos paano na ko ito, yung app. So print screen natin. Okay? So I have to edit class. I will place here, show references. So ano yung references natin for this guys? Ano yung computation natin for coming up for this guys? Computation for this guys. Or dito naman class, kahit yung reference lang. Tapos dito class yung parang solutions. Okay? Para class medyo magkakaiba naman per group. Tapos mag-vary yung scores nyo. So the more complete class, the better. Okay? So paganda na lang presentation. But then again class, ang gagawin natin, ipiprint natin to. Tapos may mga attachments na lang kayo. Miss class yung attachments natin, lagyan rin natin sa A3. Okay, so gamitin na rin natin itong title block na to siguro. Yan, bigay ko na lang yung title block dito. Okay, gawin nyo na rin class. Para mas madami tayong gagawin. Okay? So with that class, record. Okay, so that's all class. So again, if you have any questions class, ask me through the channels, so Messenger, Gmail, or email. Okay? So that's it for today, class. Thank you very much for coming. See you on the next video, class. So the next video, class, I have to discuss activity 2. Okay, so for now, class, we have at least 3 activities for the major plate. So our goal, class, pinaka-goal natin dito, class, is to, yeah, using your buildings class made of RC, where to convert those into structural frame. Okay? Tapos ang pinaka-endgame natin, class, tignan natin, siguro, structural plan. Something like that. We'll see, class, kung paano yung timeline natin. Okay? Okay, class, thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.